Stuart, we head into Wednesday night on the back of 2 consecutive wins, so what's been your takeaway from the past 2 performances and the general mood here at the moment?
Yeah, naturally, the mood's good, positive because of the results. Not just the results, but the way we've got the results in the performances. So yeah, you go back to the Sheffield United game, and after 20 minutes, 2-0 down at home, after having 2 defeats prior to that, looked a bit grim, but the lads stuck at it, and it was a fantastic comeback, and that gave us obviously the confidence to go down to Southampton, who, although results-wise haven't been on good form, if you actually looked at the stats and the goals chances created, they were second only to Coventry. So we knew it was going to be a tough game, as in, with the individual players they had in attacking areas. But thankfully, I think we were probably better without the ball than we were with it. We had good passages of play with the ball, but I think out of possession were excellent.
Low on numbers, but still going strong. North End may be hit with injuries, but they're still sitting pretty in the top 6. Paul Heckingbottom's men impressed with a big win at Southampton on Saturday. That made it back-to-back wins ahead of the Swansea City arrival this evening, as North End look for 3 wins in a row. The South Wales men have won just one of their last 6 league games, and confidence may well be fragile. But on a noisy Bonfire night, North End will want to put on a show of their own and continue their promising form. Well, it is the club's annual Remembrance Day fixture this evening, a time for everyone to reflect and remember the courage, commitment and sacrifice of our armed forces past and present. And we will remember them now. Let's go down to AJ Fitzgerald. Towards the far post. The header comes back down, and Osmaj was lurking, but it's cleared, and then Small. Oh, fantastic! Thierry Small with an amazing goal. One that he will remember for years to come, as will we here at Deepdale. A fantastic, instinctive strike from Thierry Small. A real perler. What a goal. Preston North End 1, Swansea City 0.
I don't think you'll see many better goals than that at Deepdale. What a goal. It was one of them, as he's running up towards it, you're thinking, don't shoot, why not? What a goal.
Dobbin, but Armstrong sends it forward. Osmajic might make it his. It is Osmajic! Bulldozes his way forward and makes it 2-0 to North End. Martin Osmajic in front of the time end. What else would you expect? Preston North End 2, Swansea City 0.
It's the typical type of ball he wants. Bouncing round, defender doesn't know where he is, trying to keep his eye on the ball, trying to look for him. And the power, the determination to get it. He knows that's his ball, he fancies his chances. And a great finish. I was thinking at one point he might go down, possibly. I thought he was getting dragged a little bit. But he does well, stay on his feet and gets the finish to score.
Whistle has gone. North End hang on to claim the win, a third win in a row in the Championship. It was hard fought against the Swansea side who just wouldn't give up, and they're going to go late in the day to give themselves real hope. But ultimately North End get the job done. Thierry Small with a spectacular goal in the first half, added to by Martin Osmajic at the start of the second. And despite Ji-Sung-Hum's late consolation for Swansea, it is North End who get 3 vital points and now 3 wins in a row in the Championship. John Welsh.
I think you can always sense a good team about when they don't put the performance in that they want. What's the scoreline? And evidence is there. Don't play amazing, like what we used to in the last couple of games, but go and win the game.